Hello, good day everybody. Today we are going to unbox a Bosch GAS-18v-1 vacuum cleaner from Bosch. The reason why I bought this Bosch vacuum cleaner because he has one special unique features that others brand doesn't have, such as the battery is removable, replaceable by others 18-volt Bosch battery. So this is quite unique because I have Bosch power tools. I can use my others power tools battery to be used in this vacuum cleaner. So this is the second version of the Bosch GAS-18v. So this is dash 1. Previous version is GAS-18 only. They have upgraded the vacuum filter, the design, and let's see what else it got. I will put in the previous version vacuum photo here. This is some description. Max vacuum power is 16 mbar. I don't know what it means. Max volume flow is 10 liter per second. Container volume is 0.7 liter, and the weight without battery is 1.3 kg. Estimate the battery will be around 300 to 400 grams. If you use more ampere battery, it will be heavier. I will now cut open the seal from the side here. Normally when you purchase this seal will be broken and taken the serial number inside, but because the vendor opened from behind, you see, so the seal is not yet unopened. Let's open the box. One user manual, normal floor vacuum, box, a soft vacuum tube. There's 2 vacuum holes and 1 reducer total in the box. And this is the main unit. Sorry, too near already. Okay, that's all for the box. So this is all the things that it comes with. Extension tube, solid one, 2, 1 reducer, flexible tube, the main unit, the vacuum, and the floor vacuum. It doesn't come with the fluffy head, so you can brush the brush head vacuum head. Now I have a 14.4 battery and an 18-volt battery. You can look on the size, it's a bit different. So because this one have additional 1 battery, this one is just 4 battery. This is 5. The reason why I bring these 2 battery up because in the manual instructions say it can use 14 watt. So let's have a try whether it can fit in or not. No, there is a clip blocking the. This clip had to be cut off. This one. So only you can use the 14-volt battery because the design they use a notch here. You can see a notch here. You have to cut off this one. So I will try on 14-volt battery. Yeah, you will not start. Not sure why. But the 18-volt. So you need to have 18-volt battery rather than using the 14-volt battery. Even you cut off the notch, I think the voltage protection is not allow you to use the 14-volt battery. So in the online they say can, I don't think can. So this is how we dismantle and clean the vacuum. First you press this button, open up this first half, turn this knob, take it out, take off the filter. And this part can be taken out as well so that you can clean it easier. I've been using this one for testing yesterday. So this is all the part you need to clean. This filter you can use some air blower and clean up this kind of dust, so you don't need to replace this filter. This is all the cleaning parts. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, this is all the 4 parts. This back end doesn't need to do anything, just put it on the side. This is all for the cleaning. Just use some simple brush to clean up. That's all. And some air pressure to clean here. This one can use brush, but sometimes the brush cannot clean 100%. That's all for this cleaning part. Okay, we are now testing the suction power.
Overall, I do think that this vacuum is quite powerful. It was able to vacuum most of the dust away, as you can see on the video.
So overall, I think this tool is worth to buy if you are doing some small repairing job, cleaning job, and if you have other Bosch tools. If you are just purposely for vacuuming your house, I don't think it's worth it, because the suction power is not as powerful as those you used to use it as a vacuum. This is, I think, very less suction power only. So lightweight usage or medium also can.
This is all I have to say on the Bosch GAS-18v-1. If you like my video, please click on a thumbs up or subscribe to my channel if you are not yet done that. Thank you for viewing.